day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex Direct Academy Private Limited. So today on Euro Dollar, we are looking at the weekly market analysis. Euro Dollar on the daily chart retests the very important support level. Let's see how it goes the last hold of this bullish trend. If the market break and close below the low, once again after a retracement, then Euro Dollar is back on a bearish movement. Alright, head down to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, you can see that right now, at this current moment, okay, market has break below and close below the low one time. Likewise on the daily chart, it need a retracement and break below and close below the low price over here at 1.1101 to confirm a bearish movement. So right now it is still in a consolidation zone. Alright, head down to 1 hour. Nothing much over here for me unless you are taking this move as X to A to B, B to C, and you might have a harmonic pattern. Head back to the daily chart while I'll share with you my analysis. My analysis is pretty neat on this. On the daily chart, if you're looking for a selling opportunity, a rather aggressive one, a retrace back into the red zone, the sell zone over here for a shorting opportunity, to retest the low price again, or right now you can look for a counter trend trading opportunity as market has hit the low, having a minimum stops for you. Head down to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, likewise, if you are looking at the RSI, which I'll post the chart at the link, description link at the bottom, there is a RSI divergence over here. So if this is a valid double bottom, not for me, alright, for you, if it's valid, then you can look for a buying opportunity. Nothing much on the 1 hour. Alright, so that's all I have for you today. Till then, I'll see you on Wednesday, and till then, remember always plan your trend, trail plan, and I'll see you soon on the next video.